It's Friday, June 7, 2019 at 2 o'clock in the morning. 3-minute test run. Fan mode only. It blows out really good. Very nice touch to go with it. This plywood, I really like it. Okay, bedroom. This is a bedroom unit, LG 8000. Yeah, they're both working very good. I'm quite satisfied. So the LG 8000 BTU air conditioning unit works very good. That's pretty cool in the dark. LG 8000 BTU air conditioning unit in the bedroom. LG, this is the LG 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit. So they're both working very good. There's no need for me to replace the big unit because it seems to be working fine. And not only that, but after me installing these two brand new air conditioning units, I hurt my back. I put my back out, so my back's out a little bit, and it hurts for me to bend over, and hopefully by next week I'll be starting to feel better from my injured back. My back's, folks. My back's giving up on me. The Home Depot has it. My back's not so bad. I'm okay if I walk around a bit, but if I'm laying in my bed and then when I try to get out of my bed, yeah, it hurts. You know what it's like when you put your back out. It's no fun. I basically pulled a muscle in my lower back, but hopefully, you know, I pulled a muscle in my lower back just like 3 days ago on Tuesday, and I should start feeling better hopefully by early next week.